So welcome students. In this question you are asked to simplify integration of 1 to a integer part of x into f dash of x dx. So we know that integer part of x is a piecewise defined function. So whenever we have integer part of x, we divide the integral into intervals. So let us do that. So to solve this, first what I do is, my x is going from 1 to a. So between 1 to a, how many integers are there? At all those points, you need to cut this integral. So this is equal to integration from 1 to 2, integer part of x into f dash of x dx, plus integration from 2 to 3, integer part of x into f dash of x dx, plus so on up to integer part of a minus 1 to integer part of a, integer part of x, f dash of x dx, plus finally integer part of a to a, integer part of x into f dash of x dx. That means if you have 1 to 9.5, assume that you have 1 to 9.5. So integer part of 9.5 will be 9. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, so on 8 to 9. And lastly, you have 9 to 9.5 integer part of x dx. So we know that from 1 to 2, integer part will be equal to 1. That is equal to, so this is equal to 1. So in this is equal to 2. This is equal to integer part of a minus 1. And this is integer part of a. So 1 times integer part of integration of f dash of x is f of x. So f of 2 minus f of 1. Plus, here you have integer part as 2. So 2 times f of 3 minus f of 2 plus 3 times, next time you get 3 times f of 4 minus f of 3 plus 4 times f of 5 minus f of 4, and this pattern continues up to this, where you get integer part of a minus 1 times f of integer part of a minus f of integer part of a minus 1. Lastly, you have plus integer part of a times f of a minus f of integer part of a. So if you add all this, you can see you have minus f of 1, f of 2 minus 2 f of 2 is minus f of 2. 2f of 3 minus 3f of 3 is minus f of 3, minus f of 4 minus f of 5, so on. So you get minus, so as you see, so you have minus f of 2, minus f of 3, minus f of 4, so on. So the last minus f of integer part of a minus 1, and lastly minus integer part of minus f of integer part of a. So that is equal to integer part of a times f of a. This is a separate one, minus of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus so on up to f of integer part of a. So this is the thing that is left out. So option integer part of a times f of a minus f of 1 plus f of 2 to so on up to f of integer part of a. Option A is the right answer. Thank you.